Start.
Hi children, very good morning. So, the last class we have started the pair of linear equations in two variables. The general form of linear equation in two variables is ax plus by plus c equals 0. Here we are taking pair. Pair means two linear equations taking. Pair means two. The pair of linear equation two variables are what? a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0. So, this pair of linear equation two variables can be solved by, it can be solved, we can represent by graphical also. We can represent the linear equations two variables by graph. So here, whether they have solutions, every graph, every line, what is solution? So I told in the last class, the pair of linear equation is the straight line. It is a straight line. Why it is a straight line? In the straight line you can find out so many points. The points that lie on the straight line will satisfy the line. For example, x plus 2y minus 3 equals 0. For what values of x and y it becomes 0? What values of x and y? Plus what values of x plus 2y minus 3 equals 0? For which value of x and y, that is the solution. That is the solution, you know that. So like that, it represents a straight line. So whatever points lie on the line, all those points are solutions. All those points are solutions. So the pair of lines are the solution. They are called consistent. I told in the last class. Consistent. Consistent means if they have a solution, they may have one solution or two solutions or three solutions. Only the pair of straight lines, the pair of linear equation two variables will have only one solution. It is called unique. Only one solution means unique. How can you say that they are having unique solutions? I told that a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0. These two are in the plane. There are three possibilities are there. The two pair of linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0. Whether they have solutions or not, how can you know? How do you know that whether they have? How can you check whether they have solutions or not? When they have solutions, when they intersect, there are three possibilities. When they intersect, it is visible. Intersecting means they have solutions. They have solutions. Unique solution. Intersecting means have unique solution. So sometimes they don't intersect. They don't non-intersecting lines. They are parallel lines. So when they are parallel, when they don't intersect, no solution. Okay. Third one, when they one over the other, one line is over other line like this. Coincident or dependent. In the last class I told this. We discussed all this. How can you check whether the pair of linear equations two variables, whether they have the solution or not? When they intersect, they have a solution. When they intersect, they have the solution. When they don't intersect, when they are parallel, no solution. When they coincident, one over the other, many solutions. Infinite. Many solutions means infinite number of solutions. So we have some conditions. So graphically, if they give like this, how these two lines are intersecting? Yes, they have a solution. No, when they have a solution, we call consistent. How can you say that they are consistent or inconsistent? If they have a solution, they are consistent. And intersecting lines and coincident lines are consistent. Why? They have a solution. Intersecting means unique, so only one solution. They are coincident means many solutions. Totally, it should have whether it is singular, two or three or many solutions. They have a solution means they are consistent. If they don't have solution, they are inconsistent. Inconsistent. Okay. Parallel lines are inconsistent because since they have no solution, That is why they are inconsistent. And unique intersecting lines and coincident lines they have a solution. Since they have a solution, intersecting and coincident lines, so they are consistent. So I hope you clearly understood. Now how to draw? By drawing. Let us draw the lines. Graphically how to represent. For example I tell you, so you can do it. Graphically you can solve. How to solve? Graphically you can represent. Graphically you can represent. Represent 3x plus 2y is equal to 80, 4x plus 3y equal to 110. Represent these pair of lines, pair of linear equations by graph. Hence find the solution. Hence find the solution. So whether they have the solution or not, let us find out. Do you know the conditions? We know already, I told in the last class conditions. If a1 by a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, they have the solution. Intersecting lines. They are intersecting lines. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, a1, a2, b1, b2, these are the coefficients. We know that. a1, a2 are the x coefficients, b1, b2 are the y coefficients, c1, c2 are the, you know that, constants. So if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, they are intersecting. Intersecting means they have unique solution. Unique solution. And a1 by a2 equal to a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to b1 by b2. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c. Parallel lines. No solution. No solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, all the ratios are equal. Coincident lines. Coincident means many solutions. So you have to check it. You have to check it. After checking, you can show by graph. So let us first, before you are going to show by graph, first what you have to do, you check whether they have a solution or not. Then what you will do? Check it. Check. You write the coefficients. a1 is equal to what? 3. a2 equal to 4. b1 is equal to 2. b2 is equal to, you write this. So find out a1 by a2, 3 by 4, b1 by b2, 2 by 2. Are they equal? a1 by a2 is 3 by 4, b1 by b2 is 2 by 2. Therefore, since a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, so they are intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Hence, they have a solution. Hence, intersecting means they have a solution. They have unique solution. Unique. Unique solution means consistent. So let us draw the graph. Here, you have to draw the graph. First, for the line 3x, for the line 3x plus, I erase this, children, just to check this, I erase this, okay, graph. For the line, the first line is what? First linear equation 3x plus 2y equal to 80. This is x. X value take. Like this you do it. X for the line 3x plus 2y equal to 80. Solution. Like this you make the table. This line write y is equal to 3x plus 2y equal to 8. Write in the form of y is equal to. Write in the form of y is equal to. What is the equation? 3x plus 2y is equal to 80. Y is equal to form right now. 2y is equal to 80 plus 3x and right side minus 3x. So y is equal to 80 minus 3x by 2. So you convert the given pair of linear equations in the form of y is equal to find the dependent value. Y is equal to find out 3x plus 2y equal to 80 given. So y is equal to 3x plus 2y equal to 8. We want 2y is equal to 80 plus 3x and right side minus 3x. Y is equal to 80 minus 3x by 2. So y is equal to how much? 80 minus 3x by 2. So like this. You write this. On the line, you take this is x. For the line, what is the line? 3x plus 2y is equal to 80. Y is equal to number. Y is equal to what? 80 minus 3x by 2. This is the solution is x1. This is. If you take the values, take suitable values. If you know the x value, then do it. X is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. Substitute x is equal to 0 in this. X is equal to 0. Y is equal to how much you get? 3 into 0, 0. 80 minus 0, 80. 80 by 2, 40. So when x is 0, y how much got? 40. Substitute this. This 0 value. Now x is equal to, you take 10. X is equal to 10. Substitute 10 here. 3 10 is 30. 80 minus 30 like this. I show here. Table children. So y x is equal to what? 10. You substitute in this. Y is equal to 80 minus 3 into 10 by 2. Y is equal to 80. 3 10 is 30 by 2. 80 minus 30, 50. 50 by 2 how much? 25. Like this calculation doing the rough like that. So when you substitute x is equal to 10 in the equation, you will get this like this. X is equal to substitute. Y is equal to 80 minus 3x. X means 10 by 2. 80, 3 10 is 30 by 2. 50 by 2, 25. So y how much got? When x is 10, y is equal to how much got? 25. So x value is 10, y value is 25 like this. Similarly, you take x is equal to 30 take. X is equal to 20 you take. 20. X is equal to 20. Substitute. X is equal to 20. Y is equal to 80 minus 3 into 20 by 2. 80 minus 3, 20 is 60 by 2. 20 by 2. But equal to how much block? 10 block. Y is equal to 10. 20. X is equal to 30. X is equal to 30 you take. 30 substitute. X is equal to 30. So y is equal to 80 minus 3 into 30 by 20. 30 is 90 by 2. Minus 10 by 2. That is equal to minus 1. How much got? y is equal to minus 12. So 30 minus 12. So keep like this. We got these values. Understand? So x, y values. What values for first equation? 3x plus 2y is equal to 18. So x, y values we got 0, 40, 10, 25, 20, 10, 30, minus 5. Why I am keeping like this? I will erase the board. That's why. After that, what we will do? We have to plot on the graph. Similarly, second line. Second line you prepare. What is second linear equation? Second linear equation is this one. 4x plus, for the line, 4x plus 3y is equal to 110. This is the solution xy. So convert in the form of y is equal. Like this one. So how to convert? Like this. Four x plus 3y equal to 110. Y is equal to 4x plus 3y is equal to 110. Convert to the form of y is equal to 3y is equal to 110 plus 4x and right side minus 4x. Y is equal to 110 minus 4x by 3. Like this. So y is equal to 110 minus 4x by 3. Put x is equal to, take values. X is equal to minus 10 take. I take x is equal to minus 10. Suitable values. Y minus 10 taking means x value we take minus into minus plus. That is why I am taking minus. Okay. If it is in case of this is plus 4 means you take x is equal to 10 plus 10. Okay. Here minus is there. To become this minus as positive, x value taking minus 10. If you take x value minus 10, 4 into minus 10, minus into minus plus, like that. So I am taking x is equal to minus 10. Substitute in this. So 110 minus 4 into minus 10 by 3. 110 minus 2 minus plus 4 10 to 40 by 3. 110 40 150. 150 by 3. That equal to how much? 50. 3 by the 0. 50. So when y x is equal to minus 10, y equal to how much got? 50 got. So x minus 10, y 50. Next, x is equal to 20 you take. X is equal to 20. Put x is equal to 20. X is equal to 20. Y is equal to 110 minus 4 into 20 by 3. 110, 420 is 80 by 3. 110 minus 80, 30. 30 by 3. How much? 10. So when x is equal to 20, y is equal to how much got? 10 got. So x is 20, y 10. Similarly, 50. X is equal to 50. X is equal to 50 substitute. X is equal to 50. So y is equal to 110 minus 4 into 50 by 3. 110 minus 200 by 3. So how much got? 110 minus 90 by 3 is equal to minus 30. So when x is equal to 50, y is equal to how much? Minus 30. So x 50 y minus 30. So these enough suitable values to take it. So I write here. This is the first equation. Second equation of solution is what? Second equation is what? 4x plus 3y is equal to 110. Solutions what we got here? Minus 10, 50, 20, 10, 50, minus 30. Like this. So to erase the board, just I wrote there. Okay. Now this you plot on the graph sheet. Plot on the graph sheet. you have to plot on the graph sheet. Scale take it. Scale on x-axis. On x-axis, 1 centimeter equal to 10 units. On y-axis, y-axis highest value what? Take here also 10 units. 1 centimeter equal to 10 units. This is y-axis. This is x-axis. X dash, 0, y. This is y. This is y dash. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 40, minus 50, minus 60, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, minus 10, minus 20, minus 50, minus 40, minus 50. You know how to mark all these. Already you learned in the 9th class. These are children. Okay. After marking this on the graph sheet, you take the loose graphs and do it like this. You plot all these solutions. Now, first graph 3x plus 2y equal to 0, 40. This is 0. X 0, y 40. Here. This is 0, 40. Next, 10, 25. X 10. X 10, y 25. 10, 25 is here between 30 and this. Here. Okay, like this. 10, 25. Next, 20, 10. X 20, y 10. X 20 corresponding to 20, y 10. Thirty minus 5. Corresponding to 30, y minus 5. 30 minus 5. 0 to minus 10. So join this. Join this line. The straight line will come. The straight line will come. Like this, straight line will come. Okay, this what represents 3x 2y is equal to 8. This line. Similarly, draw another line. This is a straight line. It's a blackboard note. That's why I got approximate. You can do in the graph when you do and when you plot this all on the graph. When you join the all points, you will get a straight line. Here also, minus 10, 50. Second, minus 10, x minus 10, y 50. Here, x minus 10, x minus 10, y 50. Y 50. X minus 10, y 50. 20, 10. X 20, y 10. Like this here. X 20, y 10. Minus 10. When you join, one more line will get, both lines will get intersect like this here. Both lines will intersect here. 20 and 10. The lines, two lines will form there. Two lines will be formed. Where the two lines intersect, that is the two lines will intersect here. Two lines will intersect here. And 20 and 10. So when you do in the graph, you come to know the two lines will intersect like this line and this line will intersect here, like this. Okay. Intersect. This is 20 and 10. 20 and 10. X 20, y 10. X 20, y 10. Those two lines will intersect. Both the lines will be intersect. Both lines will be intersect where here 20 and y 10 like this. Here both lines will intersect at 20 and 10. That is the solution. That is the solution. If they don't, when you draw the graph, when they don't intersect, means like this parallel line come. Parallel lines will come. Parallel lines will come. They are non-intersecting lines. No solution. So I hope you understand children. So when you do practically, you come to know. First what you convert in the form of y is equal 3x plus 2y equal to 80 is there. Y is equal to minus 3x plus 80 by 2. X values given, suitable values you will get y values. You plot on the graph. Similarly, 4x plus 3y is equal to 110. 3y is equal to 110 minus 4x. Y is equal to 110 minus 4x by 3. X values you take minus 10, 20, 50 like that. You will get y values. All plot on the graph. You separate your first line, you join them on line, you will get. Other line also will get. Those two lines will intersect where x like this. 10 and 20. X 20, y 20, y 10. X 20 and y 10 they intersect like this. This is what? X 20, this is y 10 value. So x is equal to 20, y is equal to 10. When they intersect, we have a solution. If they don't intersect, the lines will come. When they coincident, the lines will be one over the other line. They are coincident lines. Coincident lines will be what? There are many solutions. Solutions means consistent. No solution means inconsistent. Understand? So first, before you are going to draw the graph, you should check it whether they have a solution or not. You know the conditions. You find out if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, they have unique solution. If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, no solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, they are coincident lines. They have the many solutions. Like that, you do exercise 4.1. So, exercise 4.1 only. Check whether the following are consistent and inconsistent. When they are consistent, they have a solution. When they have a solution, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, they have a solution. They are consistent. Okay, like that you check it. Exercise 4.1. First problem, second problem, complete.